done cleaning up your wheels on your pickup trucks, sometimes you got to clean up your wheels on your equipment. So, can Super Clean clean Bobcat wheels? The world may never know. Until now. So now, this may be the world's first Skidsteer Super Clean wheel cleaning ever. Let's see what it can do.
It says it right here.
So, what does it say on the bottle?
All wheel cleaner.
It's an all-wheel cleaner. So this is an all-wheel.
It is definitely a wheel. With a
We'll give her a little spray.
with a flat tire.
Give her a little spray. Let her soak a little bit, and we'll start scrubbing.
You know, with our very soft brush.
We got nooks and we got crannies. But let's see what Super Clean can do. And after a good soak and a good scrub, rinse her off with some water. Wait for that showroom finish to pop right through. Nobody likes dirty Skidsteer wheels.
Nobody.
Thankfully, Super Clean is here to save the day. Okay, so we cleaned one side.
This is the before.
This is the before, and we're gonna spin her around and show you the after. You know, look at that. See the shine and the paint's coming back through?
The dirt and mud is gone. Just the rust and paint chips are still there.
So some of the paint chips and the oxidization is there, but definitely looking good. Okay, thank you, Super Clean.